Yes. And no na ba so poma hadwen. You have the legislative and deliberative function as an MP. I have deliberative, legislative, and executive function. Executive function is superior.
Yeah, that's that.
Fuseni don't call chief executive. No? He can take a decision. Or the whole district. No? But MPBN is our authority. No?
That I agree with you.
Then to be no one who to me. Yeah, my MPDN ya kakrakasa. She MPs na ye mrani wiye no. JB, almost all my mistake by giving all the authorities to the assembly. And to almost say, if you are assembly member, go back as MP no necessarily assembly member so that Emrani Yesha and conflicting manning how our constituency. Okay. JB, one come one fighting my assembly no do. That is why I make us at this time no. See, I'm pay good assembly members about assembly ni ku. Me join me can be actual. A whole majority leader. Or say chairman sir. According to the MP, by an assemblyman, at me accord you over about 3,000. Once assembly members in Kutalite. Why in a year run say assembly members a development agent? But why? So they are killing the system.
They have killed the system.
Yes. Oh, but and Caesar, your baby and Caesar. Me say, we bet me a renowned MPs in Ashanti region without mentioning Dr. Ananidin.
No, not at all.
But my money chance on share so. I think you are aware.
Oh yeah,
not because
me no. You see, that time is different from now.
Now why?
That time, President Kufuor, I mean, more level-headed people.
Maybe Kennedy can come back to me.
Sometimes assembly one more. Assembly one now young class. I will now ya crowd. What I say? But now seniors one more until you rose to become who. I mean,
Kennedy can come back to me. Did I give him the same chance?
Well, you see,
JB, you encourage assembly members, no. My pager the system, no. They are killing the system. Ebida Fuseni Donkoka, it's true. Na MP project. What's the idea assemblyman? Ni atam di ama MP. Na assembly member na constitution no. Emba no kwan so on the project no. Na MP ni di aba ho be. Na assemblyman ti ho. So do you want me to support this I?
Chief, is it time? Sir, is the narrative by say beto about ama MMDCs for now?
Oh, yeah, it's possible.
The only problem with Ghana, your policies need be say, especially say, many no mu puma moka so mo your policy na. Mostly, ye di kan board dinosaur cross and ye foundation. That is our problem. Ye CC pillars na near start board dinosaur.
I see.
And sana ye be kai say oh debut just ye good foundation. Yeah, fi ya start see ye be we na dan ye no pavilion.
Yeah.
That is our problem because. So so to Abama MMDC sir, make sure say the districts and the regions are functional on their own. Just about 30% in the central government interference or disbursement.
Okay.
Most of the federal states,
yes. Or more autonomous.
Yes.
I see.
They don't depend on the government.
Ashanti region, you generate your revenue, your governor,
your
governor of Ashanti region,
as
the regional minister now, no, and your president now appointed, no.
Okay.
Name Ashanti region, you know, Tuaba, and ye minister, and as a governor. Into sa governor, no, your boy Ashanti region revenue, you know, no, so I by formula, ama all the districts.
Okay.
In the districts ni nyina or cha on che say me party nipa na wo habat because formula ne da ho say all the 43 or is it 43 districts na Ashanti region no e che say o ma obia e bia 30% of the common fund na aba ne che say o che na obia nya ne de nti o che ma 30% e bia obaba search from plains no because e NDC seat no na NDC ni na NDC now so yeah ABA MPP governor you don't have the right to withhold such a from place there and just so withhold it near dubias near adwura there and just so withhold it as one say there inti anu so e ba yen district chief executives no so ne ye elected assembly members ne appointees ne betena se aka say okay say na aba yesu so ye be generate ye there through IGF the aka ho development ayenso ye no say district ye person ye we and no the district will prioritize their own developmental issues than their amenities or they pay their funds. What I say?
Yeah.
But until ye be yes ania man o to Abama MMDC sir e be to say there
they will still control
because uko to Obama na why na this sika na ebre no now we imagine say na do pensi na DC ya wo Robonso ye NDC ni asoma say NDC
na we MPP ni kura nya
MPP ni kura na mo twefa mo bui MPP ni kwa hwe de asoma say aye MPP MC wo ho na so esan say muntaka na wo ti go and see such a from place ye kwan aye na kwan ni baby kura tutu patch kakakura ye hu before the past 8 years
there's some project o manya yes other districts
ana make ya
because check
Ashanti
region is check here I can say
comparatively is it say mutaka na and because of that the sensitive position of one minister no
are na the mutaka na mfa Kennedy.
Okay, say me Kennedy nka de wa ya nkyere ni.
Why? Obi asema me no defend this just on the still the Akoma MP.
Kennedy nka
so why don't you project Kennedy now project?
That is the point.
But you see,
so
Kennedy so ma bontin back even though we have on several occasions.
Na
Abaka say why
mutaka kan wa ya kyere.
The fact of the matter ne say enka ne papa mu a no kura wa Ghana politics mu ne say the reason why most at times MPs need taking the shine from we the DCs. They say, yeah, no, because the government appoints you. President now appoints you. Number one duty is say obey the president. Number two, preserve and protect the seats of your party as well.
Okay.
Into DC bia no uwo mantemu bia de obey ya one o president enimbe banyam. Now MP no so no anima benyam, especially so your party near.
I see.
That is what you do.
Meaning the presidency now neglected the assembly members.
That is the fact.
The one so obe win you, so win you.
Inti say,
but emra so nya den.
Akoma, what you can only do is say who DC you know na only assembly members no so betina say. Mostly what I was doing in my area and say fortunately for me I had just 10 electoral areas.
Oh, okay. It's not much that knows be as.
Yes.
But the one most right so say
10 electoral areas. Obi ba ko be ba na ade ache. By the time opoma mo ba ko tena KMA aye o mu meeting apon wi akoda edi ada asore na afi na obi ko e kwa kodura nyurofi.
I see.
So but what we were doing is say okay because 10 electoral areas let's make sure common fund the bar. Okay, me yeah A B C D in the 6 electoral areas. MPs who say me ko ABB. You can easily say okay, they also ko ye no fa this electoral area.
Okay.
Because it's your own party. Need the any swa. Need the ntimi nye half of what the assembly will do.
Yeah.
But need the see nketinketi. So mostly time what my MP was doing was that ye developmental projects no. Na me nye the soft ones no. They say educational assistant. Health assistant.
Na MP na developmental project.
Me na me all the developmental projects.
Yes.
Most of the thing na MP ni say educational assistant. It is school fees, scholarship, health assistance. Na kakra bia no akoye get fund de ne de asun kakra. Jotimi teachers contest kakra bi, chiefs compound kakra bi.
Sa na efuse no mu ye.
Yeah.
JB na make us to that press no why. That should be the system.
That is the system. That is the system.
All this funding na Fuseni Adam Seka no. MP bia okota.
Okay.
Yeah.
Health fund, MPs will be.
Yes.
NHIS
Education fund, MPs will be. Health insurance fund, will be. Common fund. All this 9 funder, yadiye project, MPs na a convention in parliament will be. Me pacho JB, how many times the MP be abetra or chro? To send your friend saying, Fuseni Ken, or your developmental projects, by way your assistant. Says you can issue for assistant. Even road fund, pothole patches, any bridges, no one. Your fund they are accessible. A MPs there. How many times now be who MP or your accountant or this RDNA? The capital projects now, a assembly now, also assembly members in the benefit, also nigh. Meanwhile, road fund na yede mana ebia from ahonjo to adiebeba portal se o nyina me de road fund den adiema bridge no eso na me simi timi nye enti omo ye me ye foot bridge eto so sane me nkrofo betima den ni nyina ye project a kan obi baje atomo bo pekese na je na assembly ni ye den se MPs betima ye project in there why do you appoint the DCs? So, enti ama assembly ni looking small because obi oto obi anim say e kwan na eyi ye no MP na dey den e dey buy
but then MP ne so ka no ojo na num za no na this it ho
na ko ka den
this is so that they buy this is na
the truth of the matter is say onu MP no onu minister na won cry ho
yes
minister ne ba parliament say approve ne niam amana obekọ a government in power MPs ho obesa ko opposition for o man no odin so ho say minua misrew ma dey the muma ne fam mami that is it onu MP so betimi asra ne say ne me krom kwan we fa kan mami
JB yes system ne recently no mo ye
they lobby
I've worked with Mutaka I've worked with Chairman Sabunsu first I no fund ne ba quickly nipa no mo ye regular e wa assembly former deputy regional minister yeah mama Elizabeth Ajima Mutaka and say Chairman Sabunsu and Kukufu so call ye no be count because na Kukufu ya assemblyman da okay fund biba near see the back here the next day ube Mutaka he will come and sit down with the chief executive. Okay. Quickly, he will meet his assembly members. No abe president for bimano. Obe kaya sapon bae. Yeah. Within a short possible time. Na musimu tuno. O papa ne diyan yami ni elino. Yani ya konsa anto kwa na ema sapon. Because sapon ni oseche mensa ye meeting 45 minutes. Wa sana yami no mti gate. Omanti ase. Na ye DDF. Sa ye first fund about 80 something billion, you know. Because same chairman satis canon quickly or no buyer or be fight say si can fund ni bi nyeden and that should be the system na assembly na yeden enya to me but na o ma jani nyina because this is the to me nyina ye je from nsem
wa na je
aban na je di ama MPs
yeah aban na appoint you
Opoma one other strategy no say most of the MPs now feel say they are like until that almost say bibia appointed this year say MP bia per say appointed this year or no because most of the DCs are becoming a threat to the MPs because who think crying on the way on the day to day or near my member
say do my emra crash and untimi nye
of course yes parties in na mo nya sa
oh yes say no
untimi nye jare na usro bi
no na make say wanye ne na kina obeye e bia no say nsuta yakopam obi kofie na abeda ne omo so bosum yi omudi agro barahin betu maame no omudi agro
betu but me feel say the way I nyina ye pe me I am a local government advocate